We're here in Virginia Beach, guys. I say go get the dog, please. Oh wow! I can't believe we're here. And what time is it now?
It's 7:27.
Oh my gosh, 7:27 in the evening. We're here walking.
We're gonna have a room here. Yeah. We're going for a walk.
Yes, we are going for a walk. There, Nate, he needs to.
Oh, we can't see the ocean out there, guys.
I know yeah.
There's the ocean
See?
out there.
The ocean is over there, but
See
we
it.
can see because we got here super late already.
It's
And it
okay.
gets dark out
Yeah,
really
Jolly
easy.
Beach, man.
Yeah. Yay. Look at that. Rocco is with us too. And then that's my handsome husband right there. Oh my gosh. Hi Nate! How are you doing, Nate? Nate! Rain, he said it's rain.
Man,
Rain. Yeah. Yes,
once
just
you
that with
get
Nate.
that thing done over
Hold on.
with, we can...
Nate, stay here, Nate.
Look, watch Nate. Okay, grab my hand. Grab my hand. Grab my hand.
Put your hood on, babe, please.
I got my hood. You just keep the umbrella.
Okay. No, Nate, he needs it. Nate needs it.
I got you, Nate.
Who are those people? I don't even know.
Uh-oh, what's that noise?
What was that?
Hold on. Hand. Here. Hand. He wants a hand, Mommy. Give me a hand. You got it, Mom. Look, you got what you know. Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Look, you can turn it off.
Ha.
Okay.
Ha.
Go.
Go. Go.
It's nighttime.
Your shoes all sandy wet. All the bottom of your shoes gonna be all
Go on
sandy
our
wet,
other side.
sandy.
Look, that way, Nate.
'Cause look,
Right, yeah, hold me.
No,
There you go.
not doing
That's
it.
better.
this is good enough.
There you go.
Trust me, I want them to go out too, but maybe you can let them go and you just stay on the sidewalk. They'll come back to you.
The only good thing right now, there's not much people. But the bad thing is we cannot see the the beach. It's so dark over there, right? Yeah. There's nothing. Whoa, that wave! Oh, wow, look at the wave.
Hey,
Turn. Look at me.
you want? You can unleash them over here.
So big. Camera's getting wet.
It's water resistant though, so you don't have to worry.
Wow, look at this.
Gigantic.
Look, take a video. Rocco, smile. Look at the camera, smile.
Fish. Just turtles. Look. Turtles. Fine, you're
He
fine.
probably has fear of gigantic things. It's gigantic. It's scary, actually.
Oh,
Hey, come on. Come with daddy.
It's kind of scary.
is he scared? Nate is scared.
See, old man in the sea, and you got fish, turtle. You got fish. Octopus. Smile. Smile. This is a statue. It's not real. It's a statue. Picture.
He's a gorilla.
Gorilla. No gorilla. It's a man in the sea up there.
A monkey.
Monkey. That's not a monkey, bud.
You did good. They get so big. No reason to be scared. These are just statues. You did good.
Especially when it rains, the water's
He's drinking the water. Is that okay? Yeah.
No,
No, I don't think so. Rocco, why are you doing that, man? Rocco Taco.
potato.
no, we don't want to disconnect the water.
They just went over to that crab and he went like boop. He literally said boop.
Oh, wait. Wait.
Came to the
Wait.
went to like the and he said,
Not bad.
No!
Love you, boys. Can somebody help Daddy?
let's see if I can.
Isaiah, Nate, he needs some umbrella.
Dude, it feels like it slows down your fall. Hold on. I'll do. Oh, what?
We have to go away.
Yeah, let's go away. Good job, Luke.
Aha, Luke saved it.
It's on the video. Look. Good job, Baba.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, let's get out of here.
Out of here, man.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. We are leaving Virginia Beach now. Woohoo!